What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel, man. I am glad you are here with us today. So guys, as you know, those parts are fully dry now. Whew, they look amazing, but you know I can't show you that right now because you have to wait on it. You have to wait because we need to go ahead and finish getting these bike parts ready for those fairings, so there won't be no delay in time. So guys, if you are here for the first time, thank you for joining us. And if you haven't done so already, join the D's Nuts and Bolts family. Baby, we over here getting it. So now guys, let's go ahead and let's get to it. Crap. That's not gonna work. That's not gonna work. All right. And then
what's wrong?
It's too short. So this is too short. It needs to be this length, just a tad bit longer, just like this one, so I could be able to get the clip on, but I can't get the clip on because they sold me the wrong one. So unfortunately, we got to move on to the next step, and I have to go get a new link. So now I'm gonna go ahead and throw in the coolant into the radiator, and we'll go ahead and get that step done. And then after that, we'll go ahead and drop on getting all the fairing pieces on. So here are the fairings. As you can see, my reflection is right there, and the sun is not even out, and this doesn't even do it justice. Like you remember on the tail section, which I'm gonna throw a card right there on the right hand side so you can go back and see the results, how they were before. So you remember there was a huge black spot right here where it had been maybe laid down. Right now we fresh and crispy. It's all nice and done. We had a few spots on this panel, then we had some rough areas around the top of this. As you can see, it is super shiny and clear, and all of the, I was able to save the sticker on this thing, which it looks phenomenal. So guys, let's go ahead and let's try to get these panels installed on the bike so we can get ready to ride this thing. All right, I got the two exhaust on, Acapulco's exhaust with the tail light. So guys, let's see what this thing sounds like. What we got? Left? What we got?
Right.
Perfect. Okay, so now we just need to take this lock off and transfer it to the new one. Pretty simple. Got this fairing on and she looks beautiful. So guys, in the comments, let me know what y'all think about this thing. Ooh wee, it looks so good when it's almost put back together. So guys, here's the rundown. We were trying to get the chain on, but as you recall, the link was the wrong size. So now I need to go back and get a new link for this that's the right size. All right. Now we can't put the right side fairing on. It's because of the air duct. There's one already ordered. I'm still waiting on the right side to come in. So I'm gonna try to figure out how. I have some of the pieces, I just don't have the plastic piece that connects from here to here. I have the plastic cover piece, but I don't have the plastic rubber piece. So maybe I'll be able to put that on and be able to secure the fairing on, and then the bike will look more complete. So we're waiting on that piece, and we're waiting on, basically we're just gonna wait and do the oil change. And that's pretty much it, guys, for the bike as it goes for right now. Guys, just like that, this video has ended. Man, we got a lot of stuff accomplished today. Unfortunately, we couldn't get the right side fairing on because of missing pieces. So hopefully in the next day or two, these pieces will be in and we'll be able to get the bike fully complete, riding video, price breakdown, all that good stuff. So guys, if you're new to the channel, you're missing out. Join the D's Nuts and Bolts family. And if you haven't done so already, hit that like button and smash that subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.